This is a handheld laser welding machine arriving at a customer's site. The top is the welding torch tip and the welding fiber. Below is the machine cable. Cut the cable tie. This is the main power line of the welding machine, single phase 220 volts. This is the safety lock line when welding will be used. This is the air pipe for welding protection. This is the wire feeder signal line, which is used to transmit the signal of the wire feeder. Now install the main power cable, single phase 220 volts, must be connected to the ground wire. Connect the LN to the live power line. Connect the NN to the neutral power line. EE to the ground wire. Now connect the air pipe. Argon or nitrogen is needed. The pressure is adjusted to 3 bar, and the gas flow is not less than 15. Connect the wire feeder signal line to the wire feeder. The safety lock wire must be connected to the metal to be welded or to the welding torch tip during welding. This is the operation screen of the welding machine, on which all welding parameters are adjusted. This is the power indicator. The second is the switch button of the water cooler and system. The third is the switch button of the laser, and the fourth is the emergency stop button. First, we remove the optical fiber and torch tip from the welding machine. Then open the welding machine cover. You can see the welding machine internal electrical components. This is the system control box. These two are DC power sources. These are AC contactors used to control lasers and water coolers. These are the terminal blocks. This is the solenoid valve, which controls the on and off of the protective gas. Open the front panel of the welding machine. The first thing to see is that the first layer is a laser. Below is the water cooler. This is the water cooler water injection port. Water injection capacity is 12 liters. Choose pure water or distilled water. If the temperature is below 10 degrees Celsius, please add antifreeze. The bottom is the water cooler drain hole. It is recommended to change the water once every 1 to 2 months. When you open the panel, the sides of the laser and the water cooler. There is a 2-3 cable attached to the back of the laser machine for connecting with the computer. If there is no 2-3 port on the computer, you can use the USB 2-3 interface to connect it. After connecting the computer, you can check the laser alarm and handle the fault. You can see that there are 3 indicators behind the laser. Alarm is the alarm indicator of the laser. Laser is the light emitting indicator of the laser, and power is the power supply indicator of the laser.